Good morning, students. Let's continue with our chapter 3 using a computer. Students, in our last class already we have discussed about one input device, keyboard. Yes, KEYBOARD, keyboard. In this we have learned about keyboard keys. As you know, there are 104 keys on a keyboard, which are divided into many parts like alphabet keys, numeric keys, function keys, special keys, etc. Now identify this. What is this? Yes, this is a mouse. Is it a real mouse? No, it's the same as real mouse. That is known as computer mouse. So students, basically mouse is a pointing device. Mouse is a pointing device which is used to draw and color pictures on a computer and also select the things or point the objects on the computer screen. It has a small body and long tail. It has a small body and long tail. Long tail means wire. That wire which is connected to CPU box. जो वायर किससे कनेक्ट होता है? CPU box से. Okay. Nowadays, wireless mouse are also used these days. Wireless means जिनके वायर नहीं होते हैं. ओके बिना वायर के ही जिनको हम यूज़ करते हैं, दैट इज़ नॉन एज वायरलेस एंड दैट कैन कनेक्ट्स वाया ब्लूटूथ. सो स्टूडेंट्स, देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ कंप्यूटर माउस. फर्स्ट इज मैकेनिकल माउस एंड सेकेंड इज ऑप्टिकल माउस. फर्स्ट इज मैकेनिकल माउस, second is optical mouse. So what is mechanical mouse? Mechanical mouse, this type of mouse has a rubber ball at its base. This ball allows the mouse to roll in every direction. Every direction means सभी डायरेक्शन में मूव करने के लिए ये रबर बॉल यूज होती. ओके, a mouse pad should be used for its smooth functioning. It means for proper working of a mouse, it used mouse pad. Without mouse pad, it cannot work properly. Fine. Yes. Now next is optical mouse. What are optical mouse? Students, at our home, in school and office, everywhere we are using this optical mouse because it's working very fast. And one more thing which is very important, that it doesn't have any mechanical moving part, and without mouse pad we can use it. In this type of mouse there is no moving parts. See here in the circle, there is no one rubber ball. Okay, and it doesn't require a mouse pad. इसको mouse pad की ज़रूरत भी नहीं होती. We can use it at any flat surface. कोई भी flat surface होती है उसके ऊपर हम मूव कर सकते हैं. Like our computer desk, उसके ऊपर भी हम इसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं. That is optical mouse. See here, optical mouse and mechanical mouse. In the mechanical mouse, it is showing a rubber ball. That is mechanical part. Okay, and in the optical mouse it's not there. Okay, there is no rubber ball. So this is mechanical mouse and optical mouse. Now next is functions of a mouse. Functions of a mouse. What is the function of a mouse? Click. What? Click. Yes, pressing the mouse button is known as clicking. Pressing the mouse button is known as clicking. There are two types of mouse click. There are two types of mouse clicks, left click and right click. Left click and right click. Left click is used to select an item or object on the monitor. Monitor पे जो भी like notepad, MS Paint, any item और any object is there ना, उसको select करने के लिए हम left click का use करते. Okay. Right click displays a list of hidden options on the computer screen. Hidden options means जितने भी छुपे हुए options होते हैं किसी भी item पे या किसी भी object के, that is displayed by the right click. Now left click are of two types. First is single click and second is double click. Single click means to press the left mouse button once then leave it. It selects an item on the monitor. And double click means to press the left mouse button twice quickly, then leave it. The mouse will make double click sound and opens the item. On which item we will double click now, that item will opens on the computer screen. Now next function is drag and drop. Next function is drag and drop. Drag and drop means moving the object from one place to another place. From one place to another place. Okay, you can see here this document, drag and drop document, this file we are moving from here to in my document folder. This is known as drag and drop. So basically drag and drop is used to move an object on the monitor. Okay, to move an item to a new place is called dragging. It means एक जगह से एक प्लेस से दूसरे प्लेस पर किसी भी आइटम या ऑब्जेक्ट को मूव करना, दैट इज नॉन एज ड्रैगिंग. थैंक यू.